Ever wondered what it takes to start backyard beekeeping in Sydney? Right now, as autumn settles in, it's the perfect time for beginners to plan ahead. Begin by researching local regulations and connecting with Sydney beekeeping groups. Choose a sunny, sheltered spot in your garden. Bees thrive in warmth and need protection from harsh winter winds. With nectar flow slowing down, established colonies are consolidating, but new hives should wait until spring for installation. Use this quiet season to order equipment: a Langstroth hive, protective gear, smoker, and hive tool. Learn about local flora, as Sydney bees love bottlebrush, grevillea, and eucalyptus. Autumn is ideal for attending workshops and finding reputable suppliers for a nucleus colony or established hive, ready for spring's burst of activity. Understanding bee behavior now, fewer flights, more clustering, will prepare you for your first inspections when warmer weather returns. This thoughtful approach helps ensure your bees are healthy and productive. This is something we often see working with bees here at Bee-Croft Honey in Sydney.